efforts into GA, which is a premium ingredient to be used in our superfood recipes. This buffalo has been sourced from Italy from one of our responsible and trusted suppliers. It has been freshly frozen straight from slaughter to make sure that the quality and freshness has been sealed in during its transportation to us here at GA. So when we get the product in, we will take numerous samples from the pallet and test them to make sure that the protein levels and the oil levels are as we were expecting. So the reason we've gone for Italian buffalo is because we wanted a product that we knew was responsibly sourced to ethical standards. We've got the provenance, so we know exactly where it's come from. They've been reared in the beautiful Mediterranean sunshine. Also with buffalo, it's a brilliant alternative to beef because it's low in oil and high in protein, and it's also got extra benefits such as omega-3. So for us it's a real premium product and we're excited to have it here with us.